Hey girls, so doing box braids on yourself might seem intimidating at first, but with the right tools and proper hair prep, you can make the process a breeze. The materials I used were the Pure Naturals Neat Braid Conditioning Shine Gel, a rat tail comb, a 3-way mirror, and 2 packs of the X-pression braiding hair in the color mix 427 and 613. Yeah girl, they pre-mixing it for us now. We ain't gotta do it no more. Everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront. Start with clean, blow-dried hair. This step is key. A thorough blowout makes the process 10 times easier. Now you can pre-part as much as you like, but I prefer to work section by section. I typically part one section, then go ahead and braid it before moving on to the next one. I find this approach helps me maintain a good balance. It keeps the process manageable and prevents me from feeling overwhelmed by too much pre-parting at once. Once you've pre-parted your rows, pre-part your boxes for your braids using the braiding gel, then begin braiding. This is the amount of hair I used for each one of my boxes. Some may call these braids small, and some may call them medium. They small to me, girl. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying this video. Start the braid by wrapping the braiding hair around the pre-sectioned box, like it's the third strand in the braid. Then once you've braided a couple of times, take a section from each piece of braiding hair, adding it to the middle with your real hair. This will help with concealing your hair in the braid. Repeat these steps for each braid. Dip your ends in hot water when you're done. Now I ain't gonna hold you. This process took me 2 days and I spent 8 hours each day working on my hair. I used all the hair in both packs and I plan to keep this hair in for 2 months. I had 12 rows in the back and 14 in the front. Thanks again for tuning in and watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.